Hello traders, welcome to my channel, and we're doing a video about the simple 5 minutes candles strategy that I'm using a lot when I come to my morning session. We're using the 5 minute candle because that's a very important timestamp for see where the market's going on the morning. We're also using the previous day's candle to get some information about where the liquid is placed and where the volume is placed. That we need to know when we start up a new session for a new day. So here we go, 2 days video. So we need a strong trend and a price action. Very important. And the session time is when the market is opening at the morning, and approximately 3-4 hours. Depends on the market, how it's trending. Is it very strong? It could be more. Is it not strong? It could be less. And we need a clear direction. This is optimal to use so we don't get a choppy market. A strong trend is the best way to use this strategy. And you need to have it simple, not a lot of indicators, just use volume and price action candlestick. So why use this strategy? And as I told you before, you can get a lot of information of previous days candles and where the liquid has accumulated, and often there is a place like highest and lowest levels. It's very strategic to know when you enter a market session where that places is. And when you enter a new market day, you should know that most of the volume, most of the money is taking place on the morning. This is the best time to earn your money, and that's so why the 5 minutes candle is so important. You can get a lot of information where the market is going on the 5 minutes candles. So this video I will show you a way to read the market on the first session on the first day morning. So you got the candle from the previous day. You can see that there's a liquid zone in the upper zone and the lower zone. You mark out this place with a line, and you can see that like a support and resistance zones. And when you enter your new day session, you wait for the 5 minute candle to form. You see which direction it's going. It's up or going down. And you mark out that too as the high and low. So you can see even here where the liquid zone is and where the volume is placed. So you know which direction it's going, up or down. So, is it going up from this 5 minutes candle, or is it going down? This is an example for the bullish scenario. In this case, it went up. So the bullish scenario for 5 minute candles is very good to see, and it's a good indicator it's going up. In a bearish scenario, it's the opposite. Is it going down, up, or going down? And even here, it's a good sign and good indicator when it's going. The 5-minute candles is bearish. It often indicate that the market is going to be bearish. In this case, it went bearish. So I hope you're learned a lot about this video, and please subscribe and give me the thumb up so I know that my videos is good. Have a nice day. Bye bye.